woke up this morning and stumbled out on my rack. I opened up the paper to a page in the back. It only took a minute for my finger to find my daily dose of destiny under my side. My eyes just about popped out of my head. It said the stars are stacked against you, girl. Get back in bed. But I feel lucky. I feel lucky. Yeah. No Professor Doom is gonna stand in my way. I feel lucky today. Corner gave my numbers to the clerk. Pilots 11 million, so I called in sick to work. Bought a pack of camels, a burrito, and a box crossed against the light. Made a beeline for the pond. Sky began to thunder, wind began to moan. I heard a voice above me saying, "Girl, you better get back home." But I feel lucky. Oh, 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 I feel lucky. Don't drive the corner, pressure's gonna steal my son away. I feel lucky today. Sitting at the bar, I bought the house of devil and the waitress on your card. Drop your thumbs in the corner, trying to catch my eye, and I love it's right beside me with his hand upon my thigh. Your love story, simple but it's true. Well, the stars of my life, but the numbers never do. I feel lucky. I feel lucky, yeah. Think I'll flip a coin, it's a winner either way. I feel lucky today. And I do feel lucky. You can't win if you don't play.
Well, I know one thing. We're lucky here at Carmine's Country Corner to have Chad Watson and Pam Lowe with us tonight. Man, I'm happy. And you guys dress so fancy. Every once in a while, I wear like this really fancy shirt, and I'm kind of glad I didn't tonight because you're the guest artist and you guys shine. You look great.
I almost wore that same shirt.
Did you? Anyway, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota up downtown Lacrosse Center, California. And they're great people. They sell cars, Toyotas, and every other kind of car. So if you need something, come up and see them. They were nice enough to let us use their facility here to have a little country show. Isn't that great? Yeah, we fixed it up. And Now, Paul, we got a bunch of fun things, so I won't talk too long. But Pam, you know I love you. So happy to see you. Thank you.
You are a jewel,
Well,
Carmine.
thanks for being here. And Chad, of course, I've known forever also, many years. And you worked with my brother-in-law, Gil Gilbo, for a long time
man.
with the Flying Burrito Brothers.
One of the greatest years of my life.
Yeah, and you know who called us? Well, every week he checks in, John Beelan, and he keeps threatening to come down and doing the show with us.
It'll mean a lot when he shows up.
And well, when I do, when he does, I'm calling you for sure. You got to come up and play
please.
something with.
I think I
trombone.
know all his tunes.
But yeah, I bet you do. Anyway, so good to see you, Paul. We have Paul on guitar tonight. See, you guys didn't know that this guy could do more than one thing. He's a great
barely.
bass player, but no, nice solo, and I
thank you.
love it.
I'm hanging in there. I'm trying to live up to the beauty of the guitar itself.
Well, that's
kind of a
hard
pretty
thing
guitar.
for all of us to do. These instruments are really
I'm having
something.
fun.
Yeah, you look great, Jimmy. Eaton, Kerry did a great job last week. I saw the rerun. The band sounded good, and we'll do that again. That was fun. Okay, we love you, Chad. Wait, Johnny.
Yeah, John.
You know I love you too.
Thank you.
Did a great job. Everything is good.
Everything's good.
Okay, man. We're gonna let Chad do his thing. What do we got?
Well, I got to open a tractor pull in 1981 for Ernest Tubb.
Oh,
I've been waiting years to remind people of that gig. But thought since we got Jimmy here on pedal steel, let's do Waltz Across Texas and dedicate it to all those folks all the years that have gone to the Ernest Tubb record store down on Lower Broadway that's finally closing
they're
this
closing
spring.
that. You'd think
Yeah.
somebody would pick that thing up.
There's
That's amazing.
It's quite a week for bad news, isn't it?
Yeah, that's not.
Well, here's some silver lining. Jimmy, kick off Waltz Across Texas, if you will.
1, 2, 3, 1.
Oh, when we dance together, my world's in the sky, like a fairyland tale that's come true. And when you look at me with those storybook eyes, I can waltz across Texas with you. Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. I could waltz across Texas with you, like a story book ending. I'm lost in your charms. Waltz across Texas with you. Steal away, Jim. Carmine, play it pretty. All my heartaches and troubles, they're all of them gone. That moment you come into view, and with you in my arms, till I dance on your own. Hey, I could waltz across Texas with you. Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you, like a storybook ending. I'm lost in your charms. Waltz across Texas with you. Go ahead, Paul Martin. And the choir. Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. walks across Texas with you. Like a story book ending, I'm lost in your charms. Walks across Texas with you. I could walk across Texas with you. All right, thank you, Texas.
Yeah, man. Sounds great.
Yeah.
I want to thank you all for watching here at Carmine's Country Corner. We got quite a full band tonight. Man, how many guys we got in the band? 7, 6?
What do you call
2,
me?
2, 6. Well, I call you a beautiful guy.
We are using the entire stage.
I know that. Yeah, we should get a bigger stage. Hey, Colleen just walked in. That's who I was
Hi, Colleen.
throwing my kiss to. And Dan Hugot's here. He's part of the family. We love you, Dan. Thanks for coming by. Okay, so Pam,
I got one.
do another one, and then we'll let Paul play guitar and sing. I want to see if he could do that at the same time.
Me too.
Nice solo again, by the way.
Everybody gets to sing on this one, even you out there. Each time we have a quarrel, it almost breaks my heart, 'cause I am so afraid that we will have to part. Each night I ask the stars above, why must I be a teenager in love? One day I feel so happy, next day I feel so sad. I guess I'll learn to take the good with the bad. Each night I ask the stars above, why must I be a teenager in love? I cry a tear for nobody but you. I'll be the lonely one if you should say we're through. So if you wanna break my heart, that won't be so hard to do. And if you should say goodbye, I'll still go on loving you. Each night I ask the stars above, why must I be a teenager in love? I cried a tear for nobody but you. I'll be a lonely one if you should say we're through. So if you want to break my heart, that won't be so hard to do. And if you should say goodbye, I'll still go on loving you. Each night I ask the stars above, why must I be a teenager in love? I cried a tear for nobody but you. I'll be the lonely one if you should say we're through. So if you wanna break my heart, that won't be so hard to do. And if you should say goodbye, I'll still go on loving you. Each night I ask the stars above, why must I be teenager in love? Why must I be a 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 teenager in love? Nice, fellas.
That was smooth. Pretty smooth ending there, Pam. You led us beautifully. Paul, again, nice solo. I'm impressed.
Thanks, Norman.
Jeez, I think the band sounds better without me now that I got Paul on lead guitar.
Fortunately, we know a really good bass player.
Right. That's great. Hey, Paul. Now sing. Okay, boy.
Yes.
Now sing and play.
Let's try that one we were working on a little earlier.
Which one was that?
MacArthur Park.
Yeah, definitely. I'm stepping off stage if you're doing that.
Is that it, BB? Is that it, BB? Yeah, that's the one. Thank you. Here we go. 2, 3, 4.
I'll bless the day I found you. I want to stay around you, and so I beg you, let it be me. Don't take this heaven from one if you must cling to someone now and forever. Let it be me. Each time we meet, love, I find complete love. Without your sweet love, what would life be? So never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you'll always let it be me. Each time we meet, love, I find complete love. Without your sweet love, what would life be? So never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you'll always let it be me, and that you'll always let it be me.
Great song.
Oh, very nice. Thank you, Pam. Thank you for singing that with me.
Oh my goodness. I don't know the last time I sang all the words to that song, and it was probably with you 22 years ago.
Pretty darn-
Beautiful.
You haven't forgotten a thing. You haven't lost a step.
Pam,
My turn again?
do it again.
Oh, all right. Let's see. What was I going to do? How about this one? We're going to do an original song that cat right there wrote. Chad Watson wrote Catfish Monday.
Let's do
yeah,
it.
Catfish Monday.
Key of A. Little something swampy. For those of you that are dancing, and I know some of you are, here's a Black Velvet. Are you ready, John Palmer?
Yes.
Little pea soup over there. 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pleasure was simple, chicken and dumplings. Sunday afternoon, well then after supper, we pulled out the guitars, play our own homemade tunes. We'd have mom on piano and dad on the upright. Oh, how my sisters could sing. Neighbors would come by, I'd play guitar all night. I guess some things never change. We'd have catfish Monday and crawfish Tuesday, Wednesday poultry, and iced tea with Thursday. Friday was payday, Saturday sleep late on Sunday. On Sunday, we go hear what the Lord had to say. Then we play, come on. Everybody plays, Jimmy. Here's your chance, Chad. Little soft shoe over there. Then we'd make our own ice cream, a hand cream machine. Me and my grandpa took turns. My grandma dropped in those berries, those memories I cherish. Sweet as cream and a churn. We'd have catfish Monday and crawfish Tuesday, Wednesday poultry, and iced tea with Thursday. Friday was payday, Saturday sleep late on Sunday. On Sunday, we go hear what the Lord had to say. Well, on Sunday, we go hear what the Lord had to say. Guys, thank you.
I like that high note at the end.
Woo!
That's a good song.
Thank you. Chad wrote it.
We're up here at Bob's Toyota. Our good friend Bart just walked in the place. He did the show a few weeks ago. We had a great time. People enjoyed it. So keep watching. Tell your friends. Colleen, is Susie coming? You didn't talk to her? Oh my God, she's gonna be mad. Give her a call and say, get over here. Okay. So, Chad, you want to do another one? Then we'll let Paul do another one.
All right, buddy. Let's do a Billy Joe Shaver tune.
I love that song.
I've been to Georgia on a fast train.
Oh, fun.
You know, kind of like I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've been around. Hey, 2, 3. On a windy, rainy morning, Mama left me when I'm wanted in a shed off one room country shack. I know my mama had me just a day before she left me, and she hit the road, ain't never coming back. Yeah, I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born yesterday. I've got the good Christian raising and the education. Ain't no need we all treat all that way. All right, Carmine, dig in, buddy. Carolina, I don't guess I'll ever find another one put together like you are. I take you wiggle when you're walking in my love. But sound you talking and I don't know you like my big old flummy car. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I was born tonight, but not last night. I've got the good Christian raising every day. Good education, I think we're good here with love. And not to fight all day. Still waiting, Jimmy. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born yesterday. I've got the good Christian raising and the education, and I need y'all treat me this way. Just ain't need y'all treat me this way.
Nice, Chad.
Thank you, Billy Joe Shaver.
Paul,
Yes, sir.
nice solo. I'm having a lot of fun with this. Usually Paul plays bass, and I told him, come down and pick some guitar with us. I'm having a ball tonight.
So I pulled this out of the closet
Yeah.
and dusted all the dust off it.
Well,
Do I still know how to play this thing? I don't know.
well,
But I'm
sounds
having
to
a
me
good
like
time.
you do.
Having a lot of fun. You know, usually I'm playing bass, and I told Carmen I couldn't play bass tonight because I had another gig. And then 3 days ago, two or 3 days ago, I found out that the gig was canceled. So I called Carmen. I said, "Hey, Carmen, the gig's canceled. I could come play bass." He said, "Sorry, I got Chad. I got Pam. I don't need you." But he said, if you want to come down and play guitar, you're welcome to it. So I'm not going to pass up an opportunity like that. Thanks, Carmen.
And I couldn't be happier. The band is not the same without you. I don't care what you're doing. As long as you're here, we're safe.
It's fun.
Paul, did you want to do one more?
Sure, I'll do another one.
Good.
Let's do let's do that one. I know the one. I know the song.
No, the other one.
No, it's not on there. I wasn't quite ready, but I almost did.
Well, you want to wait? I want you to do it.
Yeah, let me wait.
No, really? Come on, do it.
I'll wait.
No, do it.
Okay.
We're good. We got a lot of time.
I'm sure I can find.
The camera's, this is a good angle. The camera's right on you there, Ron.
Right. I love
That's
this.
good.
This is your real show business right here.
Well, I was absolutely excited to death when you asked us to come and play again.
Oh God.
So that made me really happy. And then when we walked in the room and Paul Marshall was here, I'm like, do we have the right date?
Well, anytime you show up at my gig, that's the right date. You're going to get up and you're going to sing.
You never know who's going to be here.
If I'm doing it and you and Chad walk in, it's like, okay, make some room. We got more talent here than we got to get these guys on.
That is so sweet.
Absolutely. Well, you know that. I don't think I've ever come down to the Palace or wherever you guys play where you haven't said, Carmine, you got a guitar with you? Get up and jam with us. Absolutely.
Wouldn't do that to you.
You always treat me good.
Thank you, bro.
That's right. That's what we do.
I've made a decision.
Go ahead. Finally. This better be a great song. That's all I
I hope so. After
Because
all
this
that.
show took you a while to get
Let's
up
do
and
I'm
move.
Blue, I'm Lonesome Too.
I love that song.
And I think we do it in do we do that in A? I think we do.
Do it in A.
Oh, we do it in A.
Okay, well, there we
Gary
go.
does it in A. I don't know where you do it.
Oh, Paul
Okay.
Solomon.
All those
Marshall.
names.
I always call him by his
We'll
old name.
just vamp in A.
You got it.
It's a shuffle down there. 1, 2, 1, 2. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I'm gonna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of the train going by makes me want to stop and cry. Jimmy. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. These lovesick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. Well, when I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. Some side of the train going by makes me wanna stop and cry.
road. I wanna pack my truck and go somewhere, some sign of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
Hey, listen, this band sounds so good. Paul,
Oh my God.
you might just stay on guitar. I might get another bass player. Maybe Dan will come up for a few weeks and play bass with us, and you'll that too. But they're gonna
I can
wanna
hear
do
you in
this
the
every
monitor,
week.
you know.
But
Less of him in the monitor.
I don't want Chad every week. Pam, I'll take it.
Honesty in country music.
That's what we need here,
Now
right?
now you're making sense.
But anyway, the band sounds so good. I think I'm gonna do Clayton Delaney just because I want everybody to play on it.
Right on. What key would this be in?
G.
Oh.
151 right here. 1, 2, 3. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. It made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid, they said he got religion at the end. I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town, kind of like Paul. I thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. Then I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Play it, Paul. And I guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned, picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise I was gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100. He can only see me now. Now my daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. And I knew we used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw this old guitar away, because there ain't no money in it. It'll lead you to an early grave. They know a lot more than I do. But it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. I remember the year Clayton Lady died.
Yes, Marvin.
Thank you. Nice solo, Paul. Again. All right, Chad, I'm going to leave it to you, and you guys can put the one.
Well, I've got one that I wrote about Pam. It was the last song I wrote about our relationship before I married her. And she's okay with me doing it
Oh yeah.
so far. Oh, there's okay, good. I wanted to, of course, clear it. It's called I Found a Girl That Helped Me Forget About You. Give me a D7, guys, and then we'll pitch this one to the guys at Rock Pile. Don't you just love Rock Pile? Dave Edmunds, Nick Lowe, Billy Brenner, yeah, Terry. That British rockabilly stuff, you know, Albert Lee and all that. Found a girl who could help me forget about you. Only trouble is she loves doing what we used to do. It'll be just fine when I can get her wearing your perfume. Well, I found a girl who could help me forget about you. She don't cook or clean, but she tells me she'll willing to learn. Treats me like a god, my meals and offerings burn. She don't snore too loud, and she believes in the Lord's return. Yeah, I found a girl who's green, but she's willing to learn. Rock on, Carmine. Found a girl who can make me write a song about her. No more tunes about you and the way we were. In fact, it's only with a kiss a little memory of you and her. I found a girl who can make me write a song about her. Hold on, Jimmy. Found a girl who can help get you off of my mind. With a little exercise, it's gonna be paradise. And she'll fit so fine when I can get her in the clothes your size. I found a girl who can help get you off of my mind. You know, I found a girl who can help get you off of my mind. Found a girl who can help get you off of my mind. Then I married her.
Right, guys.
You made a good deal on that one, Chad. You did a good thing.
Thank you, buddy.
Pam, I'm not sure how smart your move was, but I liked his. No, I'm just kidding.
She's always got a bass player.
That's worth something.
I am the luckiest
Hey, what does Sue say? She
girl
coming
in the
down?
world.
Yes.
I'm the luckiest girl in the world.
You are.
I don't only say lucky because it rolls off the tongue because I'm truly blessed.
You are, definitely.
Susie says hello to Pam and Chad.
Who?
Susan.
Susie says hello to you guys. I guess she's not coming. Anybody else out
Hi,
there? Can we
Susie.
say hi to a couple of people real quick?
Pickles.
Oh, I know. Yeah, Pickles. Absolutely.
And let's see. Well, Carrie's watching,
Yeah.
and Tom Leonard.
Yes. Tom, we love you. Every week he's there supporting us.
Chavez,
Who?
Susan Brown Chavez.
Oh, yeah.
She's one of our favorite people in the world that goes to our church, the Valley Vineyard in Reseda.
Oh, man. Yeah, see, you guys are brought some of your people with you here to the show. You let them know you were going to be on it. So that's great. So some of these people I might not know as good as you do. Pickles, I do know. Goes good with the hamburgers stuff. Pickles. I like it. Anyway, anything else?
Yeah, Roy is watching.
Oh, Roy, of course.
Roy and just Joey.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We love you, Joey. We love you, Roy. Keep watching.
Vic Tech.
Who?
Vic Tech.
Well, Vic, love you. Thanks for watching. Doesn't ring a bell at this point, but it's okay. Anyway, we're going to get back. Pam, what do you got?
I'm going to do one that I wrote. It's called Worth the Wait.
I love it.
It's in the key of A. There's going to be a stop, and we're going to go up to B with no pivot chord.
Okay.
Right, Johnny?
Yes.
Yes, indeed. Oh, it's hard to stay open when the door's always closed and love stays a riddle, the truth unknown. You wear out your patience and you're running out of time, and you're running out of dreams of the merry kind. So many wrongs and a few almost right. Friends leads go nowhere, followed by a string of lonely nights. You're desperate for touch, but you'd settle for a smile. But you're stuck on your own since they've missed by a mile. But let's take on the day. We'll have lunch and we'll laugh and we'll cry if you want to, for what's not coming back. And I'll tell you, oh, I've been there, and I'll tell you it's true. Love is worth the waiting, and it's waiting for you. So the world you see now is through your broken-hearted eyes. Don't give up on hope, angel. That's where love dies. Love will come calling, could knock right on your door. Just when you're ready and not looking anymore. So let's take on the day. We'll have lunch and we'll laugh and we'll cry if you want to, for what's not coming back. And I'll tell you, oh, I've been there, and I'll tell you it's true. Love is worth the waiting, and it's waiting for you. Play my song, Carmen. Come on, John. Closed doors, they've saved you for the jewel not yet found. Keep your dreams coming, he'll come around. Spend your patience with vengeance, you'll be strong in the end. And the answers to love's riddles you'll find in hindsight, my friend. But let's take on the day. We'll have lunch and we'll laugh and we'll cry if you want to, for what's not coming Don't give up.
That's a
Great
beautiful
tune, huh?
song.
Beautiful, Jimmy, on the end of that.
Good
That was so
job.
pretty.
Thank you, guys.
Great song.
Thank you.
Paul, you want to do one more?
Sure, let's do one more.
I'm going to see what time it is.
Uh, Freeborn Man.
Okay, what key?
Key in G.
Okay.
It's kind of a straight A string over there. John. 1, 2, vamp in G. I was born in the Southland 20 some odd years ago. I ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of my way, every foot of backward, every mile of railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida. I pick cotton in Alabama. I pick walnuts up in Oregon. I pick guitar when I can. Lord, my home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of backward, every mile of railroad track. Come on, Jimmy. I got a gal in Cincinnati. I got a woman in San Antonio. Always loved the girl next door, but any place is home. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I go every inch of highway, every foot of backward, every mile of railroad track. There I go, yeah. Well, I got me this old guitar, carrying an old toe sack. I pawned it about 200 times, but I always get it back. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Oh, every inch of
Well, you may not like my appearance, you may not like my song, you may not like the way I talk, but you love the way I'm gone. I'm a free boy. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of that highway, every foot of backward, every mile railroad track. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of backward, every mile railroad track.
Well, we got time for maybe two more if we hurry. So I know we got time for at least one. So you could either do a duet or you could do one each.
A duet or one each?
Whatever you want to do.
Chad, you got one?
No, I think we ought to let the ladies sing.
Oh, you do you?
I think that's a great idea.
All right, fine. Well, alrighty then. I'll have to have a drink first. Oh, I almost didn't make it. Let's do Chad bought this for me for
I
Christmas.
love the way you
It's
guys.
the second time I
Dressed
wore it.
up.
It makes me feel like a country girl.
Well,
It's so beautiful.
Thank you. So let's do I'm hoping that my yodel's working, but even if it's not, I'm gonna play this one anyway. Cowboy Sweetheart.
Do it.
Yeah.
In the key of...
Key of E. Off the floor. Are you ready or
Yeah,
not?
I'm ready.
All right. Oh, good.
What do you want me to do?
Is somebody taking the head?
Yeah, he had it.
Good.
E of the A.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. That one. Yeah. Yeah, good. Good job.
Somebody count it.
1, 2, 3. I wanna be a cowboy sweetheart. I wanna learn to rope and to ride. I wanna ride on the plain in the desert out west of the Great Divide. I wanna hear the coyotes howling as the sun sinks in the west. I wanna be a cowboy sweetheart, the life I love the best. Your lady, your lady, your lady, your little lady, your lady, your lady, your lady, your lady, your lady, your little lady, lady, your lady. Going at a run, I wanna feel the wind in my face. 1,000 miles from the city lights, going at a cowhand's pace. I wanna pillow my head near the sleeping herd as the moon shines down from above. I wanna play my guitar and your lady, that's the life that I love. Your lady, your lady, your lady, your little lady, your 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 little lady, lady, your lady. Come on, Jimmy.
I wanna be a cowboy sweetheart. I wanna learn to rope and to ride. I wanna ride on the plain and the desert, out west of the Great Divide. I wanna hear the coyotes howling as the sun sinks in the west. I wanna be a cowboy sweetheart, the life I love the best. Your lady, your lady, your lady, your lady, your lady, your lady, ooh, your lady, your lady, lady, your lady.
Well, folks, keep playing. Pick it up. Hey, Okay, folks, thanks for watching the show tonight. Dan, Bart, thank you for coming by. Kim, thank you for the wonderful job. My other engineer, I love him. Can't think of her name. What the hell am I can't think of Colleen's name. Hey, Jimmy, thanks. Great job. Paul. Yeah, man, we're going to get you to play more guitar. That was fun. Had fun playing with you. Pam, can't say enough about you. We love you. Thank you so much. Chad, I love you, man. Love you, buddy. Great support. Great job. Johnny, if I don't see you Tuesday night down at that club, I'll see you next Sunday here at 6 o'clock.